Uh, oh no, the other one. Yeah.
And so these ones, she takes one out and then puts it back.
Right, so it will be 4 out of 9.
Uh, you're doing probability. It would just be 4.
Right, and 5,
Yeah.
4 again, and 5.
Yeah. Let me see. Grant. Da, 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 da. Okay, so similar. How about this?
It will be 7 and 4. 7,
Yeah.
4, 7, 4.
How many ways are there of picking 2 yellow balls?
Uh, 1, 7.
Da, da, da.
I mean, 7 out of 11.
That would be probability. So 7. Like you've got 7 different ones and 7 different ones that way. And so overall it would be 49. 49 different possibilities. 49. Let's see. Puts it back. That's going to be all right. Okay, so this is what the exam questions look like. Let's give this a go.
So it'll be 22 male. It'll be a 23 female. And will be 17 left-handed.
Males?
Yeah.
How do you know?
Because there's 34 right-handed workers. I know.
So 16 of the 34 right-handed workers are female.
Oh, so it'll be 16 at female right-handed. And it would be 18 male right-handed. Be 4 male left-handed. And 7 and female left-handed.
I think that's it. 22, 23, 4, 18, 7, 16. 4, 18, 7, 16. Great. So this one, similar enough. Let's give this a go.
All right, 75 in female. 29 in male stand. And 45 in male. And 16 in male sit. Um, 14 in female sit. 61 in female stand.
How many?
61.
Ah, there we go. I said 16. 61. Great. Oh, whoops. Part B.
One of the 120 people was chosen at random. Is it 29 out of 320?
Sorry about that. 29 out of 320. One of the 120 people are chosen. Did you say 120, sorry?
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry. Okay, great. I think you're good for these. These will all be very similar. Yeah. So frequency are all going to be very similar. I'm going to take a chance. Okay. So now we have probability. How about these?
One third. One ninth. One ninth. No, I mean 2/9.
She doesn't stop at either.
Oh, I mean 4/9.
Yeah. And D.
It's 2/9. I mean, yeah, 2/9.
And how'd you get that?
Because timesing stop by not stop at each one.
So that would be 2/9. That would be stop and not stop. Is there any other way that they could stop at just one set of lights?
I'm not sure.
They could also do not stop at the first set and stop at second.
Oh yeah, I thought it was the same thing.
It would be, and so you basically just double this one, or something like that. So what would you get there?
Uh, 4/9.
Yes. And so watch out for that one. 4/9. So for stop at both, it's stop, stop. Stop at neither, not stop, not stop. But then stop at just one, you've got two possibilities. And so you do it that way. Let me see. All right. Let's try this one.
Not late. It would be 3/4.
And I think there's probably the same as each day. This one's alright. It's not what I thought it was. Let's see this one. Yeah, let's try this.
Uh, 8/13. 5/13.
Mm-hmm.
The second pick would be 8/13.
Yeah. How about question B?
Forty over 169, and yeah, so it'll be 80 over 169.
I believe so. 80 over 169, great. Let's see. Probability is 6 on both the red. At least 1/6. It's a bit weird, but okay. How would you do question C?
Okay, the probability that actually just gets 1/6. Be 10/36. Actually, no.
So 10
Oh yeah, 10/36.
So that would be 1/6. There is another possibility if you were to get at least 1/6.
What that would be?
It would be 2 6s.
Oh yeah, so at least. Mm. Ten of 10 over 216.
It would just be plus an extra 1 out of 36.
Oh, so it'll be 11 out of 36.
Yeah. And another way to do it would be 1 minus neither. Which would be 1 minus 25 out of 36. Which I believe would be 11 out of 36. That's great. 11 out of 36. So just watch out for that at least stuff. Okay, how about this one?
Four out of 10. Oh wait, which question?
Yeah. B.
Oh. 9.
Yeah. Oh wait, sorry. That's how many. That'd be C. C is 9. B. How many suites in general? Oh no. No. Sorry. It is 9. And C.
3.
Yep. And D.
4 out of 10, 6 out of 10.
You just said there were 9 suites. 3 pink.
Oh. So it'll be 3 out of 9 and 6 out of 9.
Well done. And you don't need to simplify them because we might have to add or subtract. So it's good to keep a common denominator. Okay. Yep. How about this one?
It will be the first box. It'll be 5.
And
then 4.
For the S?
I mean, I'll be 3. And then 4.
Yeah. Is that all we had to do? Okay. Let's see. Okay. This one seems fine. If we have to. I don't like when they don't give me. Okay. Okay, how about this one?
Yeah. To what? Signed into what? Yes. Two toffees. It will be 42 out of 90.
Mm-hmm. And B.
It would be 42 out of 90.
I think it is. That's a coincidence, I think. Okay. Probably decimal. Ah, yeah, this looks like it. Okay, let's try this.
Right, so will be 0.6 and not stop. It'll be a 0.4 and not stop again. It'll be 0.25 at stop in second set. It'll be 0.75. Yeah.
And B. It might be calculator.
Is it 0.31?
I'm not sure. What was it working out? You got it. 0.31. Okay, you're good. I'm glad I didn't spend much time. Alright. Let's see. I think you'd be fine. What do you think? Or you want to do it?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right.
10 seconds. It'll be 3 out of 10 next to Gray.
Mm-hmm.
It'll be 6 out of 9 Brown. It will be 3 out of 9 Gray. It'll be 7 out of 9 for Brown. And it'll be 2 out of 10 for Gray. 9.
Yep.
Be 42. Oh no.
Yep. Wait, same color. Yep.
$63 out of 90.
And how'd you get that?
Times Brown. Oh, I know. Be 48 out of 90.
I think so. 42 plus 6. Grand. Okay. Okay, exam question. How about this one? Write down 2 things wrong.
First one doesn't add up to a whole number.
What whole number?
1.
Yeah.
It's. I'm not sure.
Take a look over here.
They're the wrong way around.
Yep. So probability of a 4 on second throw is 0.65, not 0.35. That's it. 0.35 and 0.65 reversed, and the probability should add up to 1. That's great. Resolution takes a random ball from the second bag. What is this? Alright. It's a bit strange.
Alright, for green it will be 7 out of 10. For green in the second bag it will be 4 out of 9. For red in the second bag it will be 5 out of 9.
Yeah.
Green it will be 4 out of 9.
Yeah. Well done. So that was a bit weird that it was 2 different bags. Grand. 3 diagrams.
Tick.
We could do that is conditional probability as well. We can do more conditional probability if you want.
Yeah.
So this is the trickiest one. Let me just see. There's also Venn diagrams as a type of probability. We'll see how we do. All right, let's give this a go.
One out of 42.
How many ones are there?
2.
So probability of take.
Oh, it will be 2 out of 42.
Yeah, I believe so. So it's confusing because the numbers are there. All right. How about this?
It'll be 42 out of 100. I mean 110.
Looks like it. And this one down here. Tell me if you get stuck on B.
Is it 3 out of 11?
How'd you get 3 out of 11?
Because there's 3 different types of counter.
Definitely not. There's an easy way to do this. What's the probability of green and green?
Uh, Three out of 11, then 2 out of 10.
Mm-hmm.
6 out of 110.
So what is the probability of getting 2 reds?
1 out of 11 and 0 out of 10.
How many times am you to get?
Once. Zero.
Yeah, there's only 1 red, so you can't get 2. What is the probability of getting 2 with the same color?
I'm not sure.
It would be probability of 2 blues or probability of 2 greens.
Alright.
So what would that be?
So 42 out of 110.
So 2 blues is 42 out of 110. 2 greens is 6 out of 10. Probability of same color on both.
Uh, uh, 62 out of 110.
How'd you get 62?
I took away 42 and 6 from 110.
So you may have skipped ahead. What was your answer, sorry?
62 out of 110.
And so 1 minus 48 out of 110. 62 out of 110. Yeah. What you found there was the probability of different colors, which is what they asked you to find. Sometimes an easy way to do it is to find the probability of the same colors.
Alright.
So that might make 62 out of 110. All right, let's give this a go. And sometimes it can help to list like what are the outcomes, the successful outcomes.
What?
And so let's say what are go on, whatever you think.
So the probability of her getting £2 is 1 out of 6. Probability of her getting £1 is
Hold on. Yeah. So what are the successful outcomes that her coin is greater than Laura's coin?
Uh, Famida gets 2 and Laura gets 1.
Okay. So probability of 1 and 2. Any other?
150.
No. Famida goes second.
50 and 1.
Yeah. Any other?
50 and 2.
Well done. Okay, so find those probabilities.
Alright.
So probability of £1.
2 out of 6.
And then probability of £2.
1 out of 5.
Yes. And that would be probability of 1 and 2.
Would be 2 out of 30.
Yeah. So then try the other ones.
Six out of 30.
6 out of 30. Yep.
Three out of 30.
Mm-hmm. So what do we do here?
So 11 out of 30.
Yeah. And you would add those up. 11 out of 30. Well done. Any questions about that?
No.
Okay, so those ones is common enough question. Very similar. Okay, let's give this a go.
Alright, so the possibilities are 1 and 2, 1 and 3, and 2 and 3.
Well done.
Alright. The first one, it would be 2 out of 42. This one would be 4 out of 42.
Hang on. I don't think first one's 2 out of 42.
Oh yeah, I didn't realize those 3 2s. 6 out of 42. So 4 out of 42.
Mm-hmm.
Yep, 6 out of 42. So it'll be 16 out of 42.
Hold on. 16 out of 42. Great. There we go. Wow. What am I looking at here? Hang on, before we do it in wacky. Right. Hang on, before we do crazy stuff. There's random. That's straightforward. No, let's. So I think you'd be all right. All right, let's do crazy one. Any idea about this one?
I'm not sure.
Any idea what the probability of getting an orange is?
6 out of n.
How about a yellow?
N minus 6 out of n.
Well, let's see. It'll be yeah, n minus 6 out of n. So you add those together, you get 1. Okay. And so 2 oranges. What's the probability of 2 oranges?
6 and 5 over n minus 1.
6 over n times 5 over, what is it?
N minus 1.
Yeah, equals
Uh, 30 over n squared minus 1.
N squared minus n. It's n times
That's
both of them.
Alright.
What's it equal to, though? Probability of two sweets?
I don't know.
In the question.
It's equals 2 orange sweets.
Probability of two oranges?
1/3.
And so you just have to make it look like their one. How would you do that?
Oh. We divide both of them by 30.
I'd go the other way. Times both by 3. Get rid of denominators.
Times by 3.
So any idea what you'd get there?
No.
If you times both sides by 3, or you could just cross multiply, do it in one go. Times both sides by 3, so this will be 1. This will be 90 over n squared minus n. How would you get rid of this denominator?
You would times it by 90.
Times both sides by the denominator, n squared minus n.
Times them both by n squared minus n.
What would you get?
Not sure.
It gets rid of the denominator.
Oh, 90 equals n squared minus n.
Yeah. And then make it look like their one. So it'd be like 0 equals n squared minus n minus 90, or n squared minus n minus 90 equals 0. So you could probably do algebraic fractions. I just want to see. So these are very similar. Probability of different letters. These are all very similar. This time it was 3 cards. So you go up to 3. No, we were doing 3 different things. 4 marks. Yeah, they're similar enough. Yes, what would you give yourself for that stuff?
I take mostly.
Yeah. Yeah, how was that for you, Jad?
That was fine.
So any topic in particular you want to do next time, do you know?
No.
Alright, well, you can let me know, or I can pick.
Alright.
Any questions for me in general?
No.
All right.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Alright, well done, Jad. Take care. Goodbye.